Imibuthano efaka phakathi ezenkolo kanye nezombusazwe iyona mbangela enkulu yokwenyuka ngesivinini kwezibalo zabahaqwe ubhubhane lwesifo iCOVID-19. IGauteng, iFree State, iNorthern Cape kanye neNorthwest seyivele isehlandleni lesithathu lwalo ubhubhane lwesifo kanti kushaya ngolonwabu unyawo uhlelo lokugonywa kwabantu.
Further restrictions are necessary to ensure that health facilities are not overwhelmed and that lives that could be saved are not lost. Delaying the spread of the virus is especially important now to allow as many people as possible to be vaccinated before the third wave reaches its peak.
Amathilo kanye nezindawo zokucima ukoma seyizovalwa ngehora le-10 ebusuku kanti umthetho wesikhathi sewashi uzoqala ngehora le-10 nomuvo kuya ehoreni le-4 ekseni. Imicimbi eyenzelwa ngaphakathi kuzomela ethanyelwa abantu abayikhulu kanti le eyenzelwa ngaphandle izokwethanyelwa abantu abangama250. Izwe belilokulethembele emgomweni Pfizer ukuze kugonywa abantu asebekhulile kanye nalezo isebenzi zezempilo bezingakagonywa. Umgomo ophume eRussia iSputnik V uthengwe uhulumeni wakulelizwe kanti inhlangano iHealth Products Regulatory Authority iwuphasisile lo mgomo.
Some of these manufacturers such as the Sputnik Russia and the one from China are in the process of seeking the necessary approvals from our Health Products Authority. The mass vaccination campaign is a joint effort with all our partners.
Okwamanje uhulumeni ubelokhu esebenzisa umgomo iPfizer njengoba sekuyihlandla lesibili lokugonywa kwabantu.
Around 1.3 million Pfizer doses have already been distributed and nearly 500,000 administered. The next 636,000 doses arrive tonight with weekly deliveries of an equivalent volume until the end of June, when we will receive 2.5 million doses.
Bekulokhu kuneyingqinamba ukusetshenziswa komgomo iJohnson & Johnson ngenxa yokuthi iMelika isola ngathi khona okungahambi kahle ngalomgomo.
When the Johnson & Johnson vaccine has been cleared, it will be much easier to administer. It is a single dose vaccine and can be stored in a normal fridge. While our vaccine rollout ramps up over the coming weeks, I urge everyone to be patient and to await their turn.
Umengameli Ramaphosa usenxuse abantu bakulelizwe ukuthi bangahambi uma kungenasidingo ngenxa yokwesabela ihlandla lesithathu lalolu bhubhane.